Illegal migrants have changed the demography of the entire Northeast, not just Tripura. Tripura is always cited as an example of how the ruling majority, indigenous community has been made into a minority by migration. It is a problem that we have faced for so many years today. After leaving all violent forms of protest, Tripura Mota and the Tiprasa community has come together peacefully, asked for a peaceful resolution because the whole of India is asking for a dialogue-based resolution. You have accepted that request and they have signed an accord with a promise. When will or how many accords will Government of India sign in the Northeast for them to implement our accords? How many accords needs to be signed more? I think enough is enough. The accords that have been signed in honor of our demands, which is constitutional, which is for the right and dignity of our people, has to be honored. Till such time that the accords signed are not implemented, whether it's for Greater Tripura land, whether it is for protection from illegal migrants, the entire Northeast will stand up for you. I come from Nagaland to tell you that.